All I see is rainy days, waiting for the sun to come and shine down on me. I've been here waiting for you, waiting for you, waiting for you. All you say is you can't, and all I'm saying is I do for you. I will.
But I'll take a minute to stay consistent, be myself. I thought they relate to this one. In this instance, love ain't grow with distance, and it ain't sufficient. Now I'm full of smoke like Christians. Now it seems I'm illicit in the distance, then just wish they let me win. Let me in, now let's begin. Oh, more thoughts like a faux pas. My goals went from hopeful to dope boy. In the mirror screaming it was your fault, but the kush made me come down from the thought that just give me to run around. Fuck her, oh hush up, you love her, and it must suck. Cause honestly, the namaste came when I had to throw it all away. The piece of surrealness, couldn't conceal it, being the illest. I feel it on my back like acrylics, and the world's on my shoulder. Cold got me turning over and never sober. A loner, trying to get a hold of his old love, and so what? Disregard his wishing, all heart fucked up, trying to get this shit in order when my vision falters. Got glasses, see fantastic, bad bitch can't have them, though they like me. Look cold inside me, I take my THC through an IV. Cocky like a drop Ali, I be feeling afflictions, and from a distance it seems like I'm intent on winning. Feeling fond of another, and empathy in my heart had to martyr in order to get called up. And it's all lust, and often they ask for more love, and it's all up. I chase solace, vacation, safe haven. They say I need to start slaving, criticism don't faze them. I'm living in amazement on how I'm alive with no patience. Got 2 words for you and in payment. I'm changing, was stuck in our ways, ended up stuck in a daze. While fam started passing away, while I had been like, what happened to me? Staying up and away till when my little cousins, older aunts stay, and my uncles do. Hell in my heart, and from this view, I'm on top of these obstacles. Niggas say I say winning, but I ain't feeling a minute. I don't really pop no pills, I don't like to conceal what I'm feeling. Savage, I'll be glad when I'm in this, when it gets me a deal. Until then, I guess I'm the villain.
I gotta do what's best for me. I gave you everything. Now I gotta do what's best for me. I gave you everything. Yeah. I'm still waiting for my diamond ring, yeah. But I gotta get up and do what's best for me. I gotta get up and do what's best for me. I'ma find my destiny. I'm ready to see it'll come to me eventually. I'm waiting for you, waiting for you. Coming out, to give me a few more taste of the truth. I just wanna know what I think you can do. Maybe if you stop, I promise you. I gotta do what's best for me. I gotta do what's best for me. I gotta do what's best for me.